Hi, good night. This is Karen Fleming, and today I'm going to show you how to install Windows Server 2008 on your VirtualBox or VMs. Now, I already downloaded a VirtualBox. It's on my system. This is how it goes. New, next. Okay, here I'm going to name the VirtualBox Windows 2008 Server. Next. Okay, this is the memory capacity. I am going to leave my memory at the default of 512. Next. The virtual hard disk. Now I'm going to create a new hard disk. Seeing this is the first time I'm doing this. Create, next. Leave this at the default also. I will leave my storage dynamically so it can be manipulated and changed at any point in time. If you click fix, it's going to stay fixed, so you need to leave it at the default. Next, next. Create, create. Okay, there you go. Now this is not the final. I still need to install my operating systems itself, the iOS. So you're going to start. Okay. Next. Okay, here I'm going to search for my iOS. File. This is it. Open. There it is. Next. Start. And this is where the system is going to start up and pull the information from my files onto the Server 2008. Okay, it's loading all the files on the system. Okay. Okay, now this is where the installation begins. Leave it as English. Next. Install now. Please wait. Now you're going into the 2008 Server Enterprise. Full installation. Next. Okay, these are the terms. You accept the terms. Next. Okay, leave it at the default, which is the customs. Leave it as that. Okay, this is this space. So what you can do in this, you can add partitions. For instance, new. You can put how much, well, the amount of space size you want, and you could apply it, or you can leave it as it is. Okay, it's gonna take a while. Okay, still one partition, so you leave it as that, and next. Okay, and all the files are being copied, and this should take a while. So okay, the installation is complete. Here they ask you to change your password. So you put OK, change passwords. Follow through. Okay. That's the next thing. Make sure that you use some sort of symbol in your password so it will be strong. You need to create strong passwords. Okay. And this is your desktop. If you want, you could just make sure that everything is there. Start, you have internet access. Okay, and you need to configure everything else. So that is how you